Good morning, students. Today we will learn to draw maize grain, the longitudinal section of maize grain. So let us start. So maize grain, is a fruit in which the fruit wall and the seed coat is fused together. So you can draw it like this. Now maize grain, you can see maize grain is approximately from the middle. It is being divided into two regions, the upper and the lower region. The upper is the endosperm, right? So endosperm, endosperm is the part which is storing the food. So this is endosperm. And lower region is the embryonic region where the embryo is present. Embryo we will draw later. So let us go further. So this endosperm is being protected by, it is being covered by a layer of protein which is called allurone layer. So all around the endosperm we have is a layer which is rich in proteins, right? So you can draw this. This is protein rich layer and it is called the allurone layer. Allurone layer, it is covering the endosperm of the maize grain all around, right? So this you can label it as allurone layer. Okay. Now, so this is endosperm. Endosperm is rich in starch, right? This is containing food in the form of starch. Now, endosperm and embryonic region are separated by this layer. This is the epithelium layer. So let us label this one. This is epithelium. Epithelium layer is a layer which is separating the endosperm, large endosperm, which is storing food, from the embryonic region, from the embryo, right? We will draw the embryo now. So embryo we will draw the plumule, the baby shoot, and the radicle, that is the baby root. So we can label this. This is the plumule. And this one is the radicle. Right? Plumule is protected by a layer which is the coleopatile, and radicle is protected by a layer which is coleorhiza. So you can label this. This one is the coleopatile. And radicle is protected by a layer which is the coleorhiza. Right? Now this whole thing is forming our embryo. Right? Also present in the embryonic region, the embryo we have is the single cotyledon present. Single cotyledon, and this is called the scutellum. So let us label the scutellum. So this is this region, you can label it as, this is the scutellum. So scutellum, right? So scutellum is the single cotyledon which is present in the maize grain, right? So these are the major parts of the maize grain, right? So let us see them again. Let me explain all these parts again. Children, you have to be learning the various parts of the maize grain and their functions, right? So all of these parts you should be able to label, draw the maize grain, label the various parts, right? So let us see again. And the maize grain we have is a large part of maize grain is formed by the endosperm. Endosperm is storing food in the form of starch in the maize grain, right? Then endosperm is protected by a layer, protein rich layer, which is called aleuron layer. Endosperm is separated from the embryonic region by a layer which is called epithelium. In the embryo we have is plumule, which is the future shoot, and is protected by a layer called coleopatile. We have is the radicle, which is the future baby root, and baby root is being protected by coleorhiza. Plumule is the baby shoot, which is later in the future going to form the shoot, and radicle is the baby root, which is in later stage going to form the root. Plumule is protected by coleopatile, a covering called coleopatile, and similarly radicle is protected by a covering called coleorhiza. Also in the embryo we have is a single cotyledon which is in the present, and it is called the scutellum. So this is all about the longitudinal section of maize grain, children. Thank you.